Are you ready to cook? Being a trained chef, food stylist, and recipe developer, I'll share with you simple techniques to elevate your dishes, everyday dishes, to a restaurant quality level. Scraping the carrots versus peeling them leaves that earthy, beautiful, sweet flavor while still cleaning the carrot. Fresh, simple. Cooking your pasta in with the sauce the last few minutes absorbs that delicious flavor, and plating it like a chef couldn't be any easier. I'll show you simple piping skills that'll make you look like a professional baker. This is Homemade Made Easy, fresh and simple, where I show you how to prepare from scratch using shortcuts to make it easy for everyday cooking. I'm Shereen Pavlides. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you'll subscribe and ring the dinner bell so you don't miss a meal. Let's get in the kitchen and cook together.